Hey folks, I hope you all are doing really well. Today I have come back with another exciting video and it is about generative AI. So I'm going to show you what specifically you can do with generative AI in case of AWS platforms. So what generative AI is, if you can ask this question, it's basically a field of artificial intelligence where you can generate text, notes, as well as images and music and multiple medias. So recent time, if you are scrolling through Instagram or even social platforms, you would be seeing different AI generated images or even contents. With the advent of ChatGPT, it has really revolutionized the technological markets all overall the entire globe. We can implement the concept of generative AI is definitely with the help of LLMs, which is large language model, and FMs, which stands for foundation models. AWS has different services that provides you with the generative AI capabilities. The one that is in the spotlight is definitely Bedrock. In this video, what I'm going to demonstrate is you can utilize a REST API along with that a Lambda function, and your Lambda function would be interacting with Bedrock APIs in order to provide you an interactive conversational chatbot. So if you come across this specific Amazon Bedrock development workshop, it has various fields that you can definitely upskill yourselves. So working with foundation model is something that I would definitely suggest that all of you should go through in order to have basics of what a generative AI is like, basically how to get a test of generative AI utilizing AWS products, specifically Bedrock. So in this conversational chatbot example, what is done is with the help of Boto 3 SDK from Lambda with the Python runtime, we're going to interact with one of the models. And this one of the model is the Jurassic Ajay 2 Ultra model. And with that, we are going to interact with the Bedrock APIs through the Bedrock APIs through one of these FMs, from one of these models, and we are going to generate response. So before going that, I would like to give you a tour of how the Bedrock console would look like. So log into your AWS console, you search for Bedrock over here, and once you get it, you just click on it and you will be landing onto the Bedrock console. So it's a very easy way to utilize these APIs. So what AWS is doing is they have provided you with a bunch of foundation models. And with the help of those foundation models, depending upon your use case, you can use them and to create your own generative AI solutions. Okay. So if I click on the left hamburger sign, you will get multiple options to play around. Basically, you will have a playground where you can generate chat, text, and images. Say if I come over here and I can select a model. So what are the various models that are offered? So there are different model providers by AI2i Labs, Amazon themselves, Anthropic, and Meta. So and depending upon the model providers, you will get different type of models that are supported. Okay. So for AI2i, you can get Jurassic 2 Mid and Jurassic 2 Ultra. And for Amazon's, you are getting Titan Text G1. For Anthropic, we generally do have Claude, but this is specifically for chat-based systems. Possibly that model is not available here. And for Meta, we have here Llama 2, and with Llama 2 chat of two varieties, one that has been trained with 13 billion datasets, another with 70 billion. So coming to text generation, so if I select the model, you will get Cohere as well. So overall, these model providers you will find over here in the base models. So in the base models, if I click on list versions, you will see that for Claude model name, whose provider is Anthropic, so there are various versions that are available. For Cohere as well, same goes for A2i Labs and Meta. Then you have Stability AI, from where you can generate multiple different types of images that are well available in the recent social medias that you would be able to see. And for Amazon's house, that currently you would have definitely Titan variations of this model. So I will come quickly over to the demonstration part now. Just a notes, just a heads up that in case these models are not available, so they by default they are not enabled. So you would need to go through these options, and depending upon so you will get the for the first time whenever you would be logging in, you would have to request for the model access. So I already did mine, so all the models are enabled for me. And in case you want to bring in your own model, then you can definitely go for this custom model options, and you can customize your own model with pre-trained data, etc. So now I will switch over to my Visual Studio Code.